everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a full basket wall for under $20. So I practiced this one in my bedroom. I wouldn't normally stage it with the round mirror. This is actually going to go to my mom's house, but I wanted to test it out in a couple of arrangements first before I took it off the wall and then put it there.
We're at the Valley Village!
We're going to go do a haul at the Valley Village and see what we find to DIY. Originally, when I had this idea to check out the thrift store for the baskets, I thought I might look out and find 3 or 4. There was probably about 15 there, and I had to put some back, which I was really impressed. They were also no more than $3 each, which made it super easy to stay on budget. We then checked out the dollar store, which I know I saw the circle placemats before, and I figured I would pick up a couple of those in case I wanted to use them as backers, but they actually turned out really good, and I put them directly on the wall, and you would never know that they weren't, I guess, a basket. They're circles, so they worked. This is why I love thrifting. I am so impressed with the amount of baskets and how pretty they are. Online, you buy these for like $20 to even $40 and $45 a basket for like the printed detailed ones. And I got the whole spread for $25. So these are from the dollar store, and they're supposed to be placemats. They're going to be my filler. They come in a lot of colors, and I think it would be pretty cool to see them on like the backs of some. This is kind of like what I'm envisioning. Maybe? All right, so let's see what we got. All of these baskets, the exact same color, clearly, but wicker is stainable and paintable if you wanted to get super creative. So instead of having them all the same color, we're just gonna take some stain and rub over a couple of them to give it a little bit of dimension. Also, this is a plate that I found for $3. Who says you can't have a plate wall? I'm not sure what this is, but what I decided was just take this guy off, and then this can be used. You can also layer them, I think. I mean, I feel like I've seen this on people's Pinterests. So all you're going to need for this is your baskets that you found at the thrift store, a couple of dollar store placemats if you choose to, nails, stain if you want to change any of the colors of your basket, and your hammer. Originally, I thought I was going to practice the layouts on the floor. I didn't do that, and I just thought I would work with the wall, especially because this one's not staying in this bedroom. It's going to my mom's house. But it's just a little finishing nail put into the drywall. So if you don't like something, you can just pop it off and move it to another place. And there you have it. Can be done in a ton of different ways. It's beautiful and easy on the wallet.